fuel injector. The copper washer had burnt away completely. We now need to road test. We had a running condition where it felt like it was misfiring slightly on one cylinder, and that was because there was low compression because of the leaking fuel injector. So now we're going to road test it. We need to road test it in all conditions. So we've already tested it for startup. It starts and runs fine. It runs really smoothly, really pleased with it. But now we need to get it in around town driving and also a little bit of higher speed driving so we can work the fuel injector and that cylinder hard. Beautiful British weather for us, middle of May, nice and sunny. Not. It's our standard road test route that we use because it encompasses some rough roads. If we're looking for suspension noises, then it's good. It encompasses some flat, level roads, so if we're looking for tracking and good alignment, then it's good. It also gives us a mile of 70 mile an hour dual carriageway, so we can do some higher speed testing just to make sure everything's right. It's a great little test route. It's about between 2.5 and 3 miles, which is just ideal for proving repairs to cars after you fix them. We have a longer road test route that we can do if we're looking for problems after cars warmed up, which is we go north on the A41 rather than south. Just going to the national speed limit now. There's a bit of traffic. Smoothly, strongly, no misfiring, no visitations. Good. It's just a little 60 to the roundabout. Do the main bit in a minute. Okay, we're in the 70 mile an hour dual carriageway zone right now. Get through the lights. Get off the roundabout and here we go. Yeah, 70 miles an hour. Performance is absolutely perfect. So, to prove that our repair has been successful. Yep, it's all good to go. That's it. We shall drive it outside, sanitise the customer's car, and give them a call, tell them to come and get it.